Hello kids, it's Rex. Today I'm going to draw a computer. Let's start drawing. First, I draw a big rectangle shape. I'm drawing smaller rectangle. Try to draw and paint with me. Let's draw a keyboard. Now I'm drawing a mouse. Finally, I'm drawing a heart. Great job! Let's make this drawing more visible. Let's paint. I start with yellow. I like drawing and painting a computer. Do you like too? Light blue. It's going to be so colorful after the painting. Blue. Green. Orange. Purple. Pink. Red. It looks so amazing. See you on the next video.